Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. So I have a question for you, right? So the question is it possible to make around $1 per view here on YouTube? Think about that, right? Most people struggle to get 1,000 views and they make $0. In this video, right, I'm going to show you this mini case study of how one simple faceless video generated about $168. That's more than $1 per view on my YouTube video. And I'm not just going to show you the proof. Actually, here is the proof already, but I'm also going to break down 4 simple reasons why this worked so you can model it. Okay. And by the way, let's just show you the stats here. So this is a product called AI Trend Flow Formula that launched on 14th of July. As you can see, I uploaded it about 3 months ago from now, and this is the video, right? And as you can see, about 160 views. And if you look at the stats here, you can see a review page. I got like 9 sales from review page and 1 sale that I have put in the direct link, right? So I put in the review page link here, and I also put in the direct link here to the sales page, which was kind of bad idea, right? The conversion rate is still 9%. It's not bad, but I should have sent all these 20 traffic to the review page as well, so my sales would be even higher. But anyway, the point here is overall the conversion rate is 20%, which is still high, close to 21%. About 53 hops now clicks onto my affiliate link from those 160 views there that you saw on my video here. So yeah, about $168.85, right? $170. So yeah, let's talk about this. So if you have been following my last couple of videos, you know this was not any luck, right? It was the result of 2-part engine that I talk about, and that is the buyer intent traffic and the faceless conversion method, right? Creating videos without showing your face and still be able to converting those videos into affiliate sales and making money, right? And I covered those 2 aspects in these 2 videos in detail, so make sure to watch those. This is the 2-part affiliate engine video, and this is where I solved a problem. Like lots of people had views, had clicks, had hops, but there is no sales, right? And that is a mistake, and have shown them how to really make sales with tiny amount of views. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you the 4-part breakdown that I jotted down here. So the first point is the product, right? First, I was not promoting a shiny object. There are like tons and tons of launches happening on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo, but I was not promoting every single of them. I was only promoting a high quality product. I chose a high quality product that solved a real painful problem, and people were actively looking for that product, for that solution that product solves, right? And the second point why this happened, why I made that much money, was because the keyword, the main thing, the keyword was intended towards buyers. So I received buyer traffic, right? I did not target how to make money type of videos. I targeted the highly relevant product review keyword, right? So if I just show you the video here, AI Trend Flow Formula, that was the name of that product. So AI Trend Flow Formula review, the product name review. Okay, 160 views in that. So the 160 people who found that video were already considering buying that product. They were buyers and not browsers. And if you don't know what buyers and browsers are, you can simply watch my previous 2 videos and you will learn everything that you need to do to convert views into affiliate sales. Okay, so all the traffic were buyers and not browsers. And number 3 is the video that is faceless conversion. I used my 5-part faceless video blueprint. I hooked them. I showed them the 1 to 2 features that solve the problem, right? Again, I talked about those in these 2 videos here, the 5-part faceless video blueprint. So yeah, the product, I chose a high converting one, and the keyword, I chose the specific keyword that buyers were searching for, people who are interested in making a purchase were searching for. And number 3, I implemented a 5-part faceless video blueprint on my video to convert those viewers into buyers, into sales. And number 4, to close the deal, I provided them the bonus, the why me, right? I showed them the 1 to 2 features that solve the problem, and I offered a custom bonus that made my offer irresistible. It made no sense for them to purchase from someone else other than me because of my bonus. And that is what pushed the conversion rate to a massive 20.4%. And 1 in 5 people, according to stats, 1 in 5 people who clicked my link actually purchased. Look, this mini breakdown that I did, it's the proof that this engine works, right? This is no fluke. This is just one video that I showed you here. Another one made me over $260 or something under 200 views. Another one made me $2,500 when it had only about 490 views on that video. So if you know exactly what you're doing, then you really don't need a lot of views to make money in affiliate marketing. You do not need thousands of views. You just need right kind of views to come in, watch your video, and if you do a good job of creating that video, you are golden. You will make sales. And this process of finding the buyer intent keyword, finding the right product, I actually created a product called Buyer Wave Method, and I showed you exact this system here, the 3-step system to turn tiny trickles of buyer traffic into a consistent $300 to $1,000 per week. This is no hypey sales page, right? I didn't say like you will make $10,000 next week, $10,000 in this month. I said $300 to $1,000 per week, and this is very, very much achievable. All right. So if you want it, you can get it, and you will learn how to do this yourself. Or you can also go ahead and get my affiliate fast track system, which is a bundle offer that I'm offering right now. It includes the Buyer Wave Method. It includes the affiliate commission engine course that I created that shows you how to exactly build your lead magnets, build your funnels, find topics on YouTube to really bring in traffic and make a reliable, solid affiliate marketing business. Okay. And also you also get $0 to $100 per day from scratch complete case study where I pick an offer, I create a funnel for it, I write emails, I drive traffic from Facebook, and it has no paid ads involved. And then I actually achieve making $100 per day on that. Okay, so yeah, I will leave the link for both. Whatever that you want, you can take your pick. But yeah, even if you don't get it, I hope you understood what exactly that you need to do. Make sure you watch these 2 videos as well, right? So that's about it. Both of the Buyer Wave Method and the bundle offer link will be in the description. You can check them out. And the bundle offer actually has a timer in, and I am giving this away for a 1 low time price. So if the timer is still there, you will be able to get it. And this is not a fake scarcity, by the way, right? It will increase in a week from now, in 9 days from now or something. So that's about it. Hope you got value in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.